All right, so we got the Yardmax out for some tilling. And so what I got going on here is just to kind of show you what this machine can do. I'm going to make a couple laps here on my established garden, and then you can see where I'm taking this part in here. I'm going to get somebody in to help start clearing some of this up back here from hurricane damage. So I'm going to kind of show you just how powerful this thing can be. Also, I don't know if you can kind of tell that there was a mound right there of some burned debris. And you can kind of see how dark it is here, how dark it was. This was a burn pile. Well, anyways, I'm going to show you to start off with how you can put this in reverse and rake down a hill like this. It's one of the extra things that I really love about this machine. So hold tight, here we go. Okay, so I hope you get the gist of that. It's pretty simple. You just go over it, reverse it back through it, and you just, when you reverse back, you just kind of put down a little bit of pressure. You'll scoop it up. Then when you get where you want it to start dumping off, I kind of pick up on it. Dirt slides right off. Super easy. All right, so what I'm going to do now is kind of put it here. All right, now we're going to show you is busting up some new sod, how well it does it. I kind of already done some, so you won't get the full effect of how much it does kind of kick around, but it does kind of give you an idea. I hope it gives you an idea of how it can kind of really bust up some heavy stuff. Now, is it designed for that? I don't think so. Can it do it? Oh yeah, it can definitely do it. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go over here to where the established garden is and show you how easy it is to handle from there. Okay, so I hope that kind of gives you an idea of how all that goes. I try to demonstrate how to switch gears and stuff like that with it. It's an excellent product. I strongly suggest purchasing it if you're looking for something to handle a garden about this size or larger. It could easily do it. I'm going to use it to break in all this right here. I know that sounds crazy, but it'll do it. Thank you all for watching the video. Until next time, later.